Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Norm from Langley Chrysler dealership. Look at this Ioniq5 Ultimate package we have in stock. So 3 years of waiting right now if you order a brand new one, but we have it here, it's available. It's 2022 brand new. So Ioniq Ultimate, look at this cool key, eh? So key has, this is automatic driving forward and backwards in a parking lot in case if you just need to get the vehicle out. Open the tailgate, horn, open the charging pot, lock, unlock, and then hold for the remote start. And yeah, I have another video to show how actually moving, we call it crash test, but what do you do basically? Hit the button and hold it, and then vehicle automatically going to start to move forward, but it's just off right now, that's why it's not moving. But otherwise, if it's like you park in places where it's tight place, you not open the door, you just hold the key and vehicle automatically move backwards or forward. It's great, I love it. So what we got here, cool lights, LED lights all over the place. You get also 360 parking sensors, front camera, side camera in the back, so it has full 360 panoramic view. Aesthetically super cool. It's unique design, very futuristic, and this color is like a silvery blue color. I don't even know what properly color the name of it. And you see 4 disc brakes, ABS traction control, rims. Also, it's very unusual comparably to any other manufacturers or brands. And like I said, design is very, very futuristic. So door handles like this, they're gonna come out as soon as you hit like unlock button, they kind of pop up. But let me see if you lock it, see how that's gonna look. You see it disappears, and the mirrors automatically goes inside as well. Or you can change the mirrors by the button inside as well. And when you unlock, you see the door handle, all of them you can unlock. As soon as you put twice unlock, it opens all the door handles so you can get in and out. Look at all this cool LED lights, look almost like from 80s of Minecraft edition with the cool squares, and that's proper LED. And they can change obviously to the turn signal, reverse, and everything else. Let's open the tailgate, see what we got in the back here. Look at all this space. So you have cover to hide some stuff, and it's a 60/40 seat divider. You can drop it down and then you have all that space. You have a charging, and apparently you can charge only like in a 6 hours quick charge, or if you get quick charge it will be even faster, right? So apparently this is charges better than a Tesla, and this vehicle becomes super comparable to the Tesla right now, and we have it in stock. Here's a button to close the tailgate. There's a reverse camera, and that's how it closes. It's pretty cool. So lots of space in the back. It has also premium sound system, and you can see rear seats are heated, full leather. Look at that. And has also sunshades on the side, you see right over here, and has a full glass roof, which also you can close. There's a power cover in case if it bothers you too much. And let's see inside. And also I just noticed the mirrors has a blind spot monitors, they're little triangles for safety. If you're driving, you don't see car, it will blink up. So memory for 2 different drivers, full power mirrors, power windows, a lot of adjustable seat positions, probably like 12-14 seat positions back and forth. I think this yeah, see you can adjust also angle for the seats as well. Actually really cool. A lot of cars don't have that, but this one has it. So how you start it? So we are inside. The way you start it, you just hit the brakes and a push button over here, and boom, it's running. So here's the volume. Let's just turn it a little bit less. It's beautiful. Look at all this cool screens, and apparently this will show you like if you drive, if there's any signs and stuff like that. And then this is where you can see all your radio station, your charging, and all the other stuff. Check lane assist. Let's see that driving mode. I don't even know what is this. So snow, normal, economical mode. Advanced cruise control, where you can set up the distance and stuff like that. There's where your voice recognition, Bluetooth, and all the other modes control. There's some kind of paddle shifting, probably for acceleration and stuff like that as well. There's your wipers. Oh cool, when you hit the wiper also will show you the camera, which side, both side or left side, depending on where you're turning. And there's your shifter, right? So all you do is like this, drive, or when you put reverse, you get the 360 camera as well. And then we'll show you also if there's any warning lights and stuff like that. And the parking mode, you just push parking. It's actually cool. So auto hold, that's automatic brakes, park brakes, and that's park brakes engage. Open the tailgate, that's the change illumination on your panels. That's a traction control off. Then what else we got? So that's a push button start. That's dual temperature control for passenger driver, full climate control over here. And then there's a shortcut buttons for map. You see, you can engage just map directly like this, or you can go with the touch screen as well. Media, backup camera, you can engage like this as well from the button. Let's see, yeah, media, that's a radio station. I love actually the design. And you can turn off the parking sensors in case if you don't want it. That's where the airflow, hazard lights and stuff like that. Glove compartment, actually pretty big, with like 3-4 different books for instructions and things like that. So I guess that's a speaker. There's also heads-up display over here. When you start to drive, you're going to see the display coming on a windshield. There's also garage door openers under the mirror. Here's your cover adjusting lights and things like that. That's for the cover. There's also microphones and temperature sensors here as well. Actually really cool car. So USB ports, Q port over here for quick charge. And then you get extra this open space room right over here. Then you have a handle coming up, or with the storage inside and things like that. So you have a lot of room over here in the middle, which I really like, because you can put your purse or something else, or your backpack. USB port, 12 plug port, and then extra additional room for big bottles and things like that. I also like the fact there's a rest paddle. A lot of vehicles has empty space over here. It's like a hole, and then it's mean your two legs will be like separated like this, so you don't have a back balance, and a lot of people can get a lower back pain. When it's like this, you see your pedals always same level, the foot's the same level. It's actually, I love it. For long distance, that's a crucial point and helps a lot. So yeah, vehicle is available, it's here. If you guys interested, text me, call me anytime. My name is Norm, and it's 778-321-0453. Thank you, bye-bye.